Thanks, Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with our daily video. We have this Lexus IS300. Client brought it to us probably 9 months ago. He did his own timing belt, and when you got to pull the radiator to do it, and he put a hole in his condenser for the air conditioning. So he doesn't have the equipment to do that, so he had to bring it to us to do that, and that was, I don't know how much, $500 or something. And while it was here, I realized that the check engine light was on, so I scanned the codes, and there were codes for camshaft, crankshaft correlation, which means most likely the timing belt is not timed right. So we looked into that, and when he did the timing belt, he didn't have it timed right. So now he brought it back to us so he can get his check engine light out and have us put the timing belt on right. So all in all, most likely he didn't save any money by doing his own timing belt. And he could have just had us do it, and he wouldn't have had to spend his time on it. So it's not always best to do it yourself. Thanks.